Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a collab that I am hosting myself. So stressful. So the theme for this collab chosen by me was pop art. I haven't done a pop art set since this time last year, so I thought it was about time. So I'll just quickly show you the colours I'm going to be using. Perfect white, perfect yellow, perfect pink. And I'm using Rodeo Drive as well. I was going to use Barbie Pink, Neon, but I ended up not using that. So I'm just going to get some base colours down. So yeah, this collab, there's lots of lovely ladies that have took part. There will be a playlist pinned in my comments. I'd love for you to go and check out all the other videos. There's also a handful of ladies that are just on Instagram. Everybody that took part, all their names will be in my description box if you want to have a nosy. But yeah, I'd love for you to go and check out the playlist. So let's get on with it, shall we? So I'm just putting all my base colours down, one coat, all these perfect colours, perfect gels from the Perfect Collection from Madam Glam. Yeah, one coat is all you need, especially on practice tips. You can get 30% off as well, guys, from Madam Glam using my code unpolished30. The link is always in my description box. So that is all my base colours down. I'm loving these already. So I'm using, this is a water decal actually that my good friend Joe sent me. So when you're using decals, try and cut that image as close to the image as you can get. Isn't she amazing? So she's just going to get some plonked in some water just for 20-30 seconds. And then I'm just going to put her face down on my stamper. And she's going to go on the middle nail. I've left a tacky layer on these nails just to help my decals stick a little bit better. So I'm just going to roll my stamper side to side. These decals need to go on a white background. Remember that. When you buy decals, yeah, they need to go on a white background. So I'm just going to snip down the edges, snip her arms off. Oh, chopped her arms off. Oh my gosh. And I've also pulled out a couple of my own little decals that I've made. Whap and pow, and they're going to get stuck on the pinky. So now I'm just going to quickly seal them in with a nice generous layer of top coat because I was scared of scratching them, or yeah, get them sealed in ASAP. So this is where we're at. So the nails I'm going to be painting on, I'm going to give them all a matte top coat. So this yellow nail, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And we're going to do some drippy drips on this one. So like I always do with my drips, I use a dotting tool and just do the dots where I want my drips to drip. And then I just use a skinny brush and just pull through them dots straight up in a straight line. Just like that. And then I'll start colouring it in at the top and just doing little arches and joining them drips together and just rounding them off a little bit. It's a really easy way to do your drips. And then they're going to get a 30-second cure as well. Now on to the next nail, this pink nail. I'm using the Madam Glam gel paints and I'm going to paint a frame around this nail. Yeah, a frame all the way around the nail. And these gel paints cure for 60 seconds and they cure glossy as well. You don't need to wipe the tacky layer off or anything. They cure completely dry, nice and glossy. which is how I wanted this nail to be. So yeah, I'm just going to do a frame around this, and then I'm just going to do a couple of, I'm going to use the white gel paint, and just do, you know, the reflection where the light reflects off the nail, cartoon style. I'm going to do that as well. So back to my drippy drips again, just like I did with the other nail. I'm just doing the little white flicks just so that it looks like the light reflecting off the drips kind of thing, and that's going to get a quick cure as well. Now this pink nail, I ended up taking this pink nail out. I just think it stood out like a sore thumb, so I'm just doing dots. I'm just going to completely fill this nail with these dots. So should we skip it actually? Yeah, let's skip it. There's actually a couple of nails that I changed. You'll see at the end I wasn't happy with them. So on this nail I'm going to do like comic book style dots. You know, where they start off big and get smaller and smaller. That's all I'm doing on this nail. Yeah, I didn't like the pink dots on that other nail, so I got rid of that. And on the other nail with the woman, the girl decal, I put yellow dots on her and I didn't like it, so I switched her out for pink dots. As usual, I had massive plans for this pop art set. I was going to do 3D lips sucking on a lollipop and everything, but I left it to the last minute as usual, so I ended up having to do a quick set that I wasn't particularly happy with. But you know, they still turned out really smart. So can you see that middle nail? I've put yellow dots on her. I'm going to change them out for pink dots, and I'm going to get rid of that polka dot nail. So these are just having a final matte top coat, and they're going to get cured in a lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so that was them initially finished. I mean, I'm looking at them now and I really like them. My decals faded a bit, not sure why. I'm looking at them now and I really like them. So I'm going to stick a picture up at the end of what I changed them to. Because yeah, I got rid of the polka dot nail and changed those yellow dots to pink dots. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please check out the playlist and the other ladies on Instagram. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.